Immediate measures to contain African swine fever outbreak in Karbi, Anglong district. In light of confirmed cases of African swine fever in Karbi, Anglong, Srimati Nirola Phangchopi, ACS District Commissioner, has enforced stringent containment measures to prevent further spreads of the virus. The outbreak has been traced to Burateran Gaon, Longnit, under the Lumbajong development block within Difu Revenue Circle, where infected pigs have been identified. The containment measures are immediately effective in all villages within a 10-kilometer radius of the epicenter, which has been designated as the infected zone. Surrounding areas have been classified as surveillance zones to monitor and control the virus spread. In compliance with the Prevention and Control of Infectious and Contagious Disease in Animal Act 2009, no movement of pigs or related products will be allowed in or out of the affected area. Additionally, markets, fairs, and other public gatherings involving pigs are prohibited until the situation is brought under control. The transportation of carcasses, feed, and pork products through the infected area has also been banned. Authorities have initiated a cooling of infected animals, with operations scheduled to be completed within 3 days. To prevent further transmission, biosecurity measures are being strictly enforced, and the cooling will be followed by the proper disposal of the animals. Affected farmers will receive compensation from the government as per the guidelines set by the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department of Assam. The District Commissioner has emphasized that violation of this order will result in legal action under the Disaster Management Act 2005, which may include imprisonment. She also urged relevant local bodies, including Panchayat, municipal officers, and veterinary departments, to ensure strict compliance with the containment protocols and to create public awareness about the disease and preventive measures. These actions are part of a coordinated efforts with Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department of Assam to mitigate the impact of the ASF outbreak and protect the local swine population. Further updates will be provided as the situation evolves. News Desk Report, Northeast Karbi Live.